Welcome to the Dress Up Mom. Hi friends, it's time for another one of my What I Wore videos where I show you the outfits that I pick out for a week. I really hope you like them. Today I have on one of my favorite vintage pieces, which is this Asian, I think it's from Japan, silk vintage coat. Now, I got it at ReLove in San Francisco, one of my absolute favorite places for resale. And I did a whole video, which you can see, I'm linking it up here, on how we transformed this. It was more of like a robe, and I took it to my alterations guru, Donna, and we turned it into more of this coat slash dress. I can also button it up this way and wear it as a dress. But tonight I'm wearing it a little bit more casual because we're going out for a fun night. So I have it paired with just this little kitten ace top, a little shell. These are my Levi's, my 501 Levi's that I actually bleached, cut, and frayed myself. And then finally, these are Moroccan slippers that are from Artemis Designs, the flying carpet shoe people who, as you know, I adore. Now, this purse that I'm taking, this little bag, is one I've had for the longest time, and I got it from a street vendor, and it's so clever, I think. It is made out of the album cover, an album cover on one side, and then the actual vinyl album on the other side. And of course, this is Audrey, one of my style icons, and My Fair Lady, one of my great movies. So heading out, a little fun tonight. Today we are going to see The Drowsy Chaperone, a musical, and I thought I would have a little bit of fun with my outfit. I'm wearing this green swingy coat that is vintage that I picked up in San Diego at one of my favorite places, Madge Company. And I'm just channeling a little bit of Audrey, I think, in this because I have very simple pieces underneath it, just a little black shell, a long sleeved shell from St. John Knits. These are my incredible vintage Chanel pants that I got at ReLove in San Francisco. Love these. And then my little Rothys. They are sustainable shoes, and even though the green is a little bit of a different shade, I think they go together pretty well with the black, and they're tying it all together. So looking forward to seeing this. We are heading out tonight, and I've got on my Jennafer Grace kimono once again. I love this. It was the original one I purchased, the vibrant colors. I'm wearing it today like a coat. I love that it's so versatile. All I did is I just tied these knots in the bottom of it to give it a little bit of shape and structure, and also to make it not so long and make it a little bit more casual. I have it paired with this kitten ace top. This is white jade, I think it's called, and it's this beautiful beaded necklace that was gifted to me by my mother. I've got a Tanner belt on, wonderful leather company, vintage 501 Levi's that I cut, bleached, frayed myself, my BRYR clogs that I absolutely adore, handmade in San Francisco, and also this handmade leather clutch from a local artisan here in San Diego, Aaron Bynum, and I'm gonna head out and have a great night. It's Sunday, and it's been such a relaxing, stress-free day. I've been unwinding from a really busy week, and tonight we are going out to have a nice dinner with the family. So I am wearing this top that I picked up at a place in San Diego called Flashbacks, and I've always loved it. It was a weird length when I bought it. It was too short to be a dress, really, and a little bit too long to be a top, so I just took it to Donna and had her cut it off right here, and I've gotten so much wear out of it. It's really comfy, and I love the colors. I have it with this necklace that was from my mom's collection. It's beaded, and I think sort of it goes along with the tribal look of the top. These are mother jeans, which I have had for just the longest time. I paid a lot for them, but they certainly have worn well, and they always stay somewhat up to date. I don't know why, they always look modern to me. And then these are my Sven clogs, which I love. They're gold halter top Sven clogs that I think just sort of add that pop of color, give it a little bit of the boho feel, and go enjoy a fun dinner. My hair is super dirty, but I'm getting it cut tomorrow, so I did not want to wash it, and we're going out tonight. So I put this hat on. This hat my husband bought for me when we were on vacation a little while back. It's not vintage, but I like it because it looks vintage. And I think it's covering up this hair quite nicely. So I'm just wearing it with a little free sweater that I've had forever. These are my Levi's that I got in Ireland at Le Harlequin, and I cut and frayed them myself. And then this belt here I really love. It's also from Artemis Design. One of my favorite brands are the ones that do those flying carpet shoes, and they make these belts too out of Turkish carpets. So this is a old vintage Turkish carpet that they repurposed. And then these are my Kurt Geiger little kitten pumps. Look at this cute little red tiny heel. They're comfortable though. I got these on eBay many years ago. Finally, this sword and plow little crossbody bag, I think ties it all together with sort of the color in the hat and a little bit of the belt. And I also love this brand. This is all made from repurposed materials from the military. So that's what I'm going to be doing tonight. That is it for this week, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I would love to know your comments below on which was your favorite outfit, or if you maybe thought something didn't work. I would like to know that too. Until next time, have fun and dress it up a little.